Most scalping trades fail, not because they are not clear, but because there is no entry rule. In this video, I show you a 1-minute scalping strategy that combines the 50 EMA, a candlestick, and the MACD momentum for a quick and flawless take. Confirmation. By doing this, you will only have one trend and one optimal and accurate confirmation. Add the 50 EMA to the chart faster because we need it in the trend with confirmation of breakouts and pullbacks. And confirmation of a candle so that I can make a buy decision with a candle, not wait for a trend to be established. Step 3, confirm the MACD move. Add this indicator to the chart. Main momentum engine, MACD, trade_W_summit. Before entering, we confirm the move using MACD settings. This should be in the style section. Go down, remove all this phrase graphic object, and that's it. To buy, MACD lines cross upwards or bullish. To sell, MACD crosses downwards or bearish. If MACD agrees with the price direction, then momentum is confirmed. This confirmation is for precise entries like minutes. Now, how do we buy and sell? If you want more of these confirmations, subscribe to the channel and write in the comments section where you are wrong, and I will give you a solution. Buy setups, both at once. When the price is above or breaks the EMA 50 upwards, we only look for buy. Entry, a strong bullish candle, rejection/momentum candle, confirmation of bullish MACD or upward cross, preferably after a pullback to EMA 50 or break and retest SL, stop loss. Below the low of the entry candle, or below the last swing low/retest area, TP1, previous market high/nearby resistance. TP2, higher liquidity highs management after TP1, exit 50% plus move SL to break even. Sell setups, both at once. When the price is below or breaks the EMA 50 downwards, we only take sell. Entry, a strong bearish candle, rejection/momentum candle, confirmation of bearish MACD or downward cross, preferably after a pullback to EMA 50 or a break retest SL, stop loss. Above the high of the entry candle or above the last swing high/retest area, TP1, previous market low/nearby support, TP2, lower liquidity lows. Management, after TP1 arrow, exit 50% plus move SL to break, even buy, long setup NASDAQ. When the price on NASDAQ is above EMA 50 or breaks it upwards and retests, we only look for buy. Entry condition, price is above EMA 50 or breaks and retests. A strong bullish candle, momentum/rejection candle, is formed. MACD is bullish or gaining momentum, SL, stop loss. Below the low of the entry candle or below the last swing low/EMA 50 retest area, TP1, short-term ceiling/near high TP2, higher liquidity, buy-side liquidity. Trade management, after reaching TP1, exit 50% of the position plus move SL to break, even sell, short setup NASDAQ. When the price is below EMA 50 or breaks EMA 50 downwards and retests, we only take sell. Entry condition, price is below EMA 50 or break and retest bearish. A strong bearish candle is formed, MACD cross bearish or confirmation of weak momentum, SL, stop loss. Above the high of the entry candle or above the last swing high/EMA 50 retest area, TP1, short-term bottom/near low, TP2, lower sell-side liquidity. Trade management, after TP1, exit 50% plus move SL to break even. NASDAQ pro tip. NASDAQ is very fast and volatile, so don't enter without MACD confirmation. Don't enter without a strong candle. Don't trade in ranges. Best case scenario, trade only in trending sessions. Important points of NASDAQ and EURUSD strategy 1. If the price is above EMA 50, only buy. If it is below, only sell. 2. Weak candle equals no entry. Enter only with strong candle. Momentum/rejection. Hesitating candles are fake. 3. MACD is only confirmation, not signal. If MACD is not in the same direction, then do not enter. 4. NASDAQ is sensitive to fake breaks. Breakout without rejection or pullback equals dangerous crossmark 5. Best trade equals after pullback, do not chase the price. Wait for the price to return to EMA 50 or key area. 6. Trade only in strong sessions, London/New York arrow. If you lose 2 to 3 trades in a row, stop trading the same day. The market is not going to give you money every moment. The last professional tip is that only in single candlestick confirmation, the price should be supported by EMA 50. It can be resisted in both bullish and bearish trades. For bearish trades, the price must give a complete confirmation to enter. That is, enter by seeing the confirmation candle. After all the setups I had set up, you will make a profit now. But before doing this, go and demo trade this strategy and see how many trades you make a profit. If there were 4, this will work for you. If it was lower, you should optimize it and confirm it more completely. In NASDAQ, the winner is the one who waits for the price to reach him, not to chase the price. The golden rule: if you lose 2 to 3 trades in a row, stop trading that day. The market is not going to give you money every moment. The last professional tip in NASDAQ: the winner is the one who waits for the price to reach him, not to chase the price. What not to trade? Do not enter a trade at all when these conditions exist. The market is range-bound and trendless. EMA 50 is flat. There is a candle, but MACD does not confirm fast and fake move after news, fake spike. Entering before a real confirmation, candle forms. Simple rule: if the market is not clear, do not enter either. Important rule: if only one of the filters is not confirmed, the trade does not exist at all. This strategy is simple but powerful. Only enter a trade when the EMA 50 confirms the direction, a strong candle signals, and the MACD confirms momentum. If these 3 conditions are not together, it means the market is not ready to enter yet. The goal of this system is to take you from emotional and high trades to low but accurate trades. If this video was useful to you and you want to learn more and more professional strategies, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. In the next videos, we are going to work on more advanced scalp setups and more accurate entry methods. Remember, in trading, simplicity plus discipline equals real profit.